If you run local AI agents, this standard terminal window represents two common headaches of the setup: gigabytes of wasted hard drive space and the constant friction of switching between 5 different apps to get one task done. Today, we are going to fix both problems. We will build this unified architecture using 2 hidden upgrades in the recent Hermes 4.2.1 release, along with 5 free use cases that centralize your entire workflow into a single dashboard. To follow along with these steps, make sure you have Hermes Core version 4.2.1 installed and your Agent OS dashboard up and running. Connecting these specific modules lets you replicate high-end cloud features on your local hardware, ensuring every byte of data generated remains on your own machine. Open your Agent OS storage preferences and locate the local session history file. Notice the massive drop in file size. Hermes now monitors this directory, silently triggering an automatic compression cycle when your database hits 1 gigabyte, requiring 0 clicks. While compression runs, look at the live search bar. Even during an active compression cycle, you can query your past logs instantly. The system maintains full read access while shrinking the database, eliminating the downtime usually seen during regular cleanup. You no longer have to choose between preserving AI memory and saving local disk space. Next, we will give the agent visual capabilities. Open your agent settings and toggle on Connect Teal Draw to enable offline whiteboarding. This step comes with a strict requirement: keep the Teal Draw window actively open on your screen. If the window is minimized or closed, Hermes cannot reach the canvas to execute your commands. Watch this split screen. Once connected, type a prompt for a flowchart. Instead of clicking around manually, Hermes writes the backend code to draw the nodes and paths, constructing the exact layout instantly. You can push this further by asking for interactive behaviors. The agent will embed functional logic directly into the UI mockup, allowing you to click elements like this counter button and test them live. Visuals aren't limited to static apps. Install Hyperframes, feed Hermes a text prompt, and it rapidly drafts initial visual sequences using HTML and CSS. The compiled video exports directly to your local machine, bypassing the need for external cloud rendering. Complex mockups and full video generation are now completely achievable in a 100% offline environment. To scale these tools up for large projects, you need a larger context window. Here on the OpenRouter website, generate a free tier API key and paste it into your Hermes configuration. With that expanded context, open the Kanban view inside Agent OS. Type a single overarching mission statement, like build an explainer video, and hit execute. The orchestrator takes over immediately. It triages your primary goal, assigns distinct roles, and begins populating the board, moving subtask cards autonomously. You can watch the swarm work passively, or click any active card to manually override an agent's direction. By combining the free context window with the Kanban module, a single sentence deploys a synchronized multi-agent project management team at 0 cost. You can create a compounding multiplier for your work by bridging Hermes with external tools. Start by feeding a single source document into Google's free Notebook LM. Install the open-source Hermes connector script to place an Export to Hermes button directly in your notebook interface. Once exported, prompt Hermes to simultaneously extract multiple distinct formats, like podcast scripts, slide decks, and infographics from that single set of notes. Watch as one single core idea rapidly multiplies itself into a massive, branching network of completely varied data formats. Generating 3 or 4 usable pieces of distinct content from a single action removes the manual repetition usually required for cross-platform output. To tie all of this together securely, connect your Obsidian Vault to Agent OS. By storing your project requirements as Markdown files, you give the AI a permanent memory layer, resulting in highly accurate code generation, like this Focus Timer app. Now consolidate all of the tools we've discussed into the Agent OS dashboard. Place Hermes as the central orchestrator so you can view your video, text, and memory modules simultaneously. A final warning on setup: avoid plain terminals where your valuable session history vanishes. Keep projects saved exclusively in local Agent OS directories. This allows instant UI previews and guarantees 100% privacy over your data. If this master architecture looks complex, do not try to build it all today. Pick just one of these use cases to master before adding the next module to your system. A local AI setup's effectiveness depends on orchestrating standalone models into a unified private ecosystem.